More than 25 years after a DeSoto couple was shot and killed inside their own home, the man convicted of their murders is scheduled to die by lethal injection.
The U.S. Supreme Court has not intervened, and Governor Mike Parson has denied clemency. Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal is live in DeSoto tonight, where residents are remembering the victims. Jeff.
Zelma and James Long, well known here in this community. Friends of theirs say that they were as kind and giving a couple as you could find around here and believe that this scheduled execution is long overdue.
Cold-blooded murder is what it was.
Tears shed in 1996 by the family of Zelma and James Long are still felt today, more than 25 years later.
It sent a lot of people into shock, people that knew them and loved them, and, it's a horror story.
Barry Yancey is a longtime DeSoto resident who continues to mourn the loss of a couple he remembers for their kindness.